Welcome to a 3-minute cardistry tutorial. Today let's learn how to do this combo that uses Trigger by Nikolai Peterson. You can start by holding the cards in your right hand with your middle and ring at the top and your thumb on the bottom. You can bring your index up to the front edge and you can pull off some cards by lifting up. So once you break off that packet, you can swivel it out to the left a little bit, and you can grab it between your left index and thumb. You can pull that packet off the top and bring it into the palm of your left hand, and then you can once again contact the front edge of that rightmost packet using your index finger. You can pull up another packet from there and swivel that out to the side. You can also rotate your right hand to the left so that packet is rotated on top of the other one in your left hand. You can pull out that other packet from your right hand, and then we can learn how to do the trigger motion in your left hand. So you can grab that packet with your index and your thumb, and you can extend your thumb so that that topmost packet is pivoted all the way out to the side, and it's kind of out jogged from the other packet. From there, you're going to bring that bottommost packet all the way up in your hand, and you can use your middle finger, your ring finger, and your pinky as support when doing so. So if you slide that packet all the way up, your middle finger should now be able to contact the close edge of that outer packet. So if you grab that packet between your middle and your index, releasing your thumb, you can pivot your index in so that packet rotates under the deck. Now you can combine this motion with the other motion in your right hand of flipping that packet into the deck. So let's go through the motions again and learn how to flip that packet into the trigger packets. So once again, pivot that top packet off into your left hand, grab another one, bring it out to the side. You can do the trigger motion by pulling that packet up in your hand, contacting the other packet with your middle and index, and rotating in. Once you get to here, you can hold this position because you'll flip the other packet in between the two. So you can rotate that outer packet so that it's between your middle and your thumb. Your index is applying upward pressure, your thumb applying downward pressure, and then you can flip the packet over your ring finger by releasing with your thumb. That will let it flip in between the other two packets, and then you can close everything to finish the move.